Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy and spent, a fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak hearted. I can't give you $10, but I give you 2 on the strength. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much with. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the streets with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle.
What's up, y'all? I got a quick little video today. Basically, so I'm printing out some memorial pictures for buttons. I got these little buttons here. Basically, you just print the picture out, and then you got to cut it out and, you know, cut a little circle so that it'll fit in there right. But I bumped into a little problem because I printed these on the HP Latex, and you know, I have the Titan 3 cutter, and that wasn't working. Well, I didn't actually use it, basically, because I didn't want to cut up the cutting strip. I didn't want to tear it up, you know, because you're cutting through. This is a pretty thick photo paper. So, and I don't have a cutting mat for the Titan, which is something that I gotta get. That way, when I'm doing projects like this, you know, I wouldn't have to worry about that. So, what I did was I printed out the paper, and then, as you can see up here at the top, and right there, and here, I got the registration marks for, you guessed it, the silhouette. And you know, I have a cutting mat for that, so basically that's what I was using, but it took a lot longer than what I would actually want it to. But you got to do what you got to do, because I had to get this order out as quick as possible. You know, I had to do 300 of these, so you know, I just had to think on my toes. It's like, okay, I can't cut it on the Titan, which I could have had everything done like pretty quick, but I basically made 12 on each little sheet, threw the registration marks on there, and threw it on my cutting mat. And as you can see up here on my screen, just got it all set up right there. And that's a quick little easy way to get around stuff when, you know, you can't use certain pieces of equipment. It's always good to know what all your equipment can do. So pretty much, let me turn this around. So pretty much, yeah, you gotta think on your toes, you know. I got a lot of stuff this week, doing yard signs, banners, buttons, shirts, business cards, flyers, like but that's what I do though, you know. So like I said, you just got to stay on your toes in this game, and I was just showing you something real quick, basically like a print and cut, you know, on a large format printer and on a small format cutter. You know, things can be done, you know. So, you know, I would like for y'all to just, you know, learn your equipment and know everything that they can do, and don't be afraid to try new things, you know, because it's not always going to be simple like, oh yeah, I can cut it on the big cutter. I don't do very much of you know, actual contour cuts, or what do you call like a perf cut, because you got to cut all the way through this this paper, this photo paper. You got to cut all the way through it so you can get the circle and then stick it into the button, you know. And I don't really do much of that, and if I have, it was probably done on the small format, on the Silhouette. So, you know, like I said, I'm just throwing this video out there, you know, for those to help you think outside of the box and use every piece of equipment that you got, you know. So I hope y'all like this video. It was a short one this time, but if you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and bring yourself back. Come check out some more content, and when you come back, bring somebody with you and tell them to bring somebody with them. And remember, be independent, be individual, be you. I'm out.
Wow.